Hi YouTube, I am George. Today it's time to show you this big Christmas cactus in bloom, and I will show you the flowers. And someone asked me how I grow this big Christmas cactus, but this it was given to me by one friend. His name is Dimitri, and yeah, I will ask him. And now let's show close up the flowers. I like the flowers. There are no so many flowers, but anyway, so exciting. Also, I have a Christmas cactus from my parents that is in bloom now. And let's see it all. So we look at the flowers and very beautiful flowers. I love these flowers and are very beautiful color red. You can see there some flowers and it's so big and so exciting. Here more flowers. Yeah, we can see here it's not open yet, but I will post pictures on my Instagram, and that's why just there flower already, flower period well done. Yeah, just another flowers there very open. Yeah, it's very beautiful, and it's not so many flowers as I said, but in the springtime maybe will be more flowers. I will take care. I will just add some fertilizer. Remember, natural fertilizer I will add to this plant, and will help it to bloom more. Sometimes I add water with banana peels and eggs shell, and just put that water there, and the plant will absorb, and that banana peels contains more nutrients and will help to this plant. And here we can see some flowers not opened. Here we can see one flower open, so beautiful. Let's see. I know this plant don't like to touch with my hand, but yeah, I just show you inside the flower how it looks. And the next flower there, another one on the leaves there. Yeah, let's look how it looks. Put it there and let's focus. So looks at the flower, beautiful flower. Yeah, amazing. We can see how it looks, so beautiful. But we will waiting for more blooms, as I said, in spring, and that's why. But so exciting. Here we have a Christmas cactus in bloom, and this is from my parents, and it's in bloom. And look at the flowers, very beautiful flowers, and the flowers so beautiful. And already we can see that the flowering period is ending, and also there, yeah, look, it's beautiful, and I'm happy it was bloomed on New Year, and that's why. I hope you enjoy the blooms and have a good day. Greetings from Moldova. Thank you so much for watching, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, and I am George, and bye.